What is foil? Well, it's something I use to wrap up my sandwiches when I'm taking my lunch to work. And it's also a math term. I'm Adam Reich with WonderfulTutor.com. Let's talk about it. So let's say you're given this problem, x plus 2 times x plus 3, and you're told to simplify. How do we do that? Well, this is where we can use FOIL. F-O-I-L, which stands for first, outside, inside, and last. And those will be the 4 steps that we need to do in order to simplify this problem. But what does that mean? Well, let's look at the first parentheses here. X plus 2. What comes first? The x. Well, let's look at the other parentheses. X plus 3. What comes first there? Also x. So since the x's are the 2 firsts, let's multiply them. X times x is x squared. All right, the next step is outside. What are the 2 terms that come furthest on the outside? Way over on the left, it's going to be x, and way over on the right, it's going to be the 3. So let's multiply now the x and the 3, which gets us 3x. What are the 2 inside terms? That's going to be the 2 and the x. So let's multiply 2 times x on the inside, getting us 2x. And finally, we come to last. If we look at that first set of parentheses again, x plus 2, what comes last? The 2. Look at the other set of parentheses. What comes last? The 3. So we're going to multiply 2 times 3. 6. Last thing we're going to do here is add the middle terms, and we get x squared plus 5x plus 6. And that's it. That's the solution to the problem. Now, some people prefer another method, so I just want to go over it with you right now. If we take this same problem, we can just take that first term, x, and multiply it times both of the other terms in the other parentheses, getting us x squared plus 3x. And then we can take the second term and again multiply it times both of the terms in the other parentheses, getting us positive 2x plus 6. If we then add those 2 middle terms up again, we get x squared plus 5x plus 6, and we get the exact same answer. You pick whichever one you like and go with it. Hope this helped you today. If you learned something, go ahead and subscribe. I'm Adam Reich with WonderfulTutor.com, and I'll see you next time.